Well, I'm here today with Margie from Margie's Farm and Garden, and we're talking succulents, and succulents, they are hot. Margie, what do you got for us today?
Oh, hi. Yes, thank you. Succulents are one of our favorite plants. So today I pulled a variety of my favorite plants, and we are going to plant a beautiful ceramic bowl here with some of our favorites. One of my first favorite is this Euphorbia fire sticks. Beautiful coloring it has here and makes a great statement in the pot. So we're going to put that in first. And then I'm just going to look for different colors, different textures of things. I love my string of pearls right here. This is a very popular one. So you just be real careful as you kind of squeeze.
And it looks like you have a really wide selection of different colors and textures. Is there kind of a right or wrong on how you can put these together, or is it more kind of personal preference?
Oh, it is such just a personal preference of what you love. It's fun to do different, textures and colors with the succulents. There's so many different kinds that you can have so much fun with this, but there's definitely no wrong way. What we have here, they all require the same amount of light and water and care. So that makes it nice. Which
is important to keep in mind as you're picking these out, to make sure you're putting the right collection of plants together for livability.
I love this Euphorbia we have here. The thing, here you come shopping as with anywhere. We can help you make sure you have what you need to make sure that you have the same care type plants for your container so that you're successful.
And then now the selection of plants that you have today, are these for, indoors or outdoors, or where's the best place to put these?
What we're planting today is for their tender succulents. So they will be outdoor now through, really even through like the beginning of November until we start getting frost.
Okay.
And you can put them inside your house over the winter to protect them.
Now, I'm assuming they would want, if they're going inside for the winter, they need good lighting. Is that?
Yes, good lighting. And then you can also during the winter do a little bit less watering. Right now, if they're outdoor during the summer, maybe a little shot of water twice a week, which makes them really easy care for busy people.
Right.
And when you move them inside, maybe once a week at the most.
Okay. And they're not super picky about as far as, fertilizer or things like that. They're pretty easy.
They're pretty easy. They really are once you get them going. So we have some different sizes here available. We have some in the 4-inch, which were the larger ones I put in here. Then we've got some cute little 2-inch guys. And then we have a section in our greenhouse that we call our succulent buffet, where you can just buy plugs. So they're little.
Fun.
And this is one of my favorite. We call it Shrek ears because it looks like Shrek. But it's a good way to get a variety of little plugs to kind of fill in a variety of different ones, some trailers, some upright to fill in a container. So do a little bigger ones, a few smaller ones to make it a little bit more affordable.
Oh, sure. So if you have, this great selection, what kind of soil do we need to look at using?
Yes, you definitely want a well-drained soil for these, for succulents and cacti alike. There's definitely special soil you can use. If you don't have that and you have to use your regular potting soil, you just really limit your watering so that because you need well-drained soil.
Gotcha. And, and you have some, you said collection, you definitely have the upright ones, and you have like the string of pearls that are going to trail down the sides, and just a wide range of, heights and shapes and colors and
yes, you definitely want to do your fillers, your thrillers, and your spillers. I mean, keep that going with even on your succulents to get such a variety of things.
And then it looks like, too, once you have it planted, you have some, you can put decorative rock or decorative stone around to fill in some of those areas, too.
Yeah, we've got different colors of rock it really adds an extra pop to your container if you use that to decorate around with it. So that's what I'm doing now.
And you have this great selection out there of all these different types, different sizes and shapes and colors. And I'm assuming still of the soils and the containers and the decorative rock. And I'm assuming you're open right now. So what are some of your protocols right now for shopping at the farm?
Okay, yes, we are definitely open right now. We're open Monday through Saturday, 9 to 5:30. And Sunday, 10 to 4. We are making sure we're social distancing, so limiting the number of people in at a time. open wide space. So we're able to do that. We are handing out gloves at the door and sanitizing, and have face masks if people, do not have one already that they need. And we are also doing phone orders or email orders if you would like to do that and aren't comfortable coming in. So we're doing everything we can to keep everyone feel safe and ready to garden with this beautiful weather. It's such a great opportunity to get a start on your summer season.
Well, it looks like you got well supplied, well stocked. You're ready to go, and you'll be able to take care of any customer regardless of how they want to come in and get them taken care of. So, Margie, I appreciate you being with us today. The painters look beautiful, and well, if you need any more information, you can go to your website or you can go to gardentime.tv, and we'll click you on over. Thank you, Margie.